Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to create a single quiz game um, which contain four options. This is MCQ type. I will use Playmaker in Unity. Playmaker is very nice tool. It's a visual tool for fast programming. So for this, we will use hash table and array. First, we will create a XML file which consists of our question and their four choices. Then we will import this data into Unity by using Playmaker. Without any programming, we can uh, uh, save this data into uh, hash table and array tables, and then we can display on the player. So let us start. uh, First, I will create a visual environment where we want to put our question and answer. So I will use Unity's very powerful tool, UI. So let us create UI. So I think I will create a panel. Can create button. It's okay. I think we should use button. So let me see. This is button. Uh, okay. So this button should be displayer of our random question. Okay, this is button, anchor point. Okay, we can call this text here, question text here. It will load a question from XML file and it will display here. So let me create some other changing. Okay, color is black, but I want this color, background color. Where is background color? Okay, I want to display this color of question as pink. Okay, pink. It's okay. Font a little bit larger. Okay. Button color. I think it's yellow. Okay. It's okay. So this is our button. Oh, this is our question label. So I will write here as question, and then there will be four options. What this? This anchor. I will not discuss about the function of these anchors here. So let us repeat this as four options. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Here. Oh, okay. Let us delete. First, I want to set some properties. So I want to change this color to okay, dark blue. It's okay. And color of text white. Okay. Option A. So there are 4 options. So let us repeat. 2, 3, 4. Option 2. Option 3. And option 4. Here. It's okay. Option B. Option C. Option D. Okay, let's play. Okay, these are 4 options. Here is question. So now we will apply some function. So first of all, I will pull out some data from XML file. So I have already created XML file. So it looks like this. You can create like this. This is MCQ close. I have only created 5%. You can increase up to 100. It's up to you. It will work. So here ID 1, it's means question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is question. And here are 4 options. Answer 1, answer A1, A2, A3, and correct question C, last one. So later I will randomize these all 4 options. So whenever it will display on the player, so it will never show this correct question in the last. It will randomize sometime at position A, B, C, D, anyway. So let us import these MCQs into Unity by using Playmaker. So I will create empty game object. Let us name it XML. Okay, so I will create a FSM. So this FSM will add XML file. Add XML file. Okay, so let us add. Go to action and find Datamaker. Yes, this is Datamaker XML. So we can use XML select node. XML select node. This. So add this and then change to text asset and then find a file. So I have already created with the name MCQs. So here is file. question number 1 2 3 4 5. So now we will pull all data. So I want to pull all these questions from this XML file. So what I can write the path of this file as MCQs then Q. So it will go to MCQs and then into Q, and then it will pull all this data one by one. So let us write a path MCQ/Q. This is a path. MCQs Q. This is path. Okay. So this will store. Let us call it MCQ. Okay. It will store in the MCQs reference. It's a variable, and it will count. Node. So we can call it index. So index, it will count because we have 5 elements. So it will create an array of 5. Found event, if it's found, then it will go to next level. So write a found. Okay, and if it will not found anything, then it will go to not found state. Okay, if there is something error, then it will go to error state. So it will display why there is error. So maybe this file is not correctly written, there is something fault, so it will show error. If it will not found anything, then it will go to not found state. If it will found something, then it will go to found, and it will perform next level of indexing. So let us create these all states. Control found. What's happening? Yes. Error. Not found. Found. If it found, then it will do something. What it will do? It will get node properties. It will get node properties. All node properties like question, index, and its 4 options. So if it will not found, then it will go to these states. We will do some programming here later, but because we know that there is no error, there is something, so we will get out some node properties and display over here. So what we will do, so we will add XML get node properties here. So it will get node properties. How will it will get node properties? It will, because this consists of many, so it will get node list properties. It will get all lists. So we will add this function here. This action, we will call this action. So node list reference. So what is reference? Reference we already set here. This is reference. MCQs. This is reference. So we will write here the same reference. So it will pull all data from XML. What it will do? Loop event. In loop event, it will go to next properties. So we will name it next event. It will go to next event. If it pull out all data, then it will go to done event, like here. And also it will store this as an index. Okay, so now we will pull out all variables. So we have these variables 1, 2, 2 and 4 option 6. So total number of properties are 6. So we will write here 6. Enter. So it will show all elements. Element number 1. So in element number 1, so we have id property at id. So it will pull out id. This is id. And then is question. So we will write at id. At id means it will pull all data which is written after id. So what is type? Its type is string. It will store in a variable. We will call this question number. This is question number. Okay. So next properties is question. See, question. Okay. To add question, and it's also a type string, and it will store in question text. Okay, so this question text, and next properties is like a1, a2, a3. So I will write at a1. So this is also a string. It will store in option 1, and then at a2 it will store, this is also a string, it will store as option 2. Then at a3 this is also a string, and this will store as option 3. And in the last one is I think C, correct, option C. This is also a string. This will store as option 4. Okay, so these are 4 options we will store, and then it will go to next level, and if it is done, then it will go to done. Next level, in next level it will it will add to array table or hash table, anything. It will pull, and then it will write into array table, so that we can later use to display here over here. So after writing into array, it will finish, and then it will go back to get node properties. Then it will do a next question number 2. It will pull out all this, and then 3, then 4, then 5. And when it is all done, then it will go to done, finish. Okay, so how it will add to array table? So it will add, we will go to arraymake, arraymaker. Yes, it will add array list add here. So okay, array list proxy. We also want to add here a proxy. Click here, it will automatically add Playmaker array list proxy. We have to write a reference. So let us first of all we want to pull only question data. Later we will add these four options. So right here question. Okay, question. We can write same variable name here, reference name question. So what it will pull? It will pull string, and what will it pull? It will pull question text from data and index. So let us see. Let's play. If it will do something. Oh, these five item 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's pull out and display. It's stored in the array list proxy, and it is done because we have only 5. If there are 100, it will do more, and then it will done. Okay, so next level is we want to display this question over here. Okay, so what we will do, we should go to question and create another FSM here. So let us start. It will start. Begin. Finish, and then go to here. Get random question. It will get random question. Okay, it will get random question from this table, and then it will display over here. So how will it will display? So let us write some function. We can add another action from data XML. So it will get a random question. So how it will get random? So from array list. Actually we have stored this in array list, so it will get from array list. Array list get random here. Add this. Oh, it's also require array list proxy, but I think we have already added, so we will specify. So where we have added over XML. So drop here. Okay, and what is reference? Let's go. Reference is question. So we will go over here and write here question. It's question. So its type string. Random item is question text display. Random index display. Okay, leave it. So it has created it's pull out a question, a random question from this data, and it will store in a question text display, and later on it will display over here. So how will it will display? So we have to add another text properties. We want to set text properties over here. What happened? Here. Text set properties. So what is name of property? Text string. So what is value? Value is question text display, which I have saved here. Array get this number. So it will display over there. Let's play. Oh, why? It doesn't display. What's problem? Oh, I see. Because we have to update. We have to update this every time. Because if we never update this, then it will not pass this value over here. So we have to update. So how can we update? So we can use here we can use some broadcast some event here. Send event, send event, send event. So it will send self broadcast. Okay, it will broadcast, and where it will send? Oh, we want to create a variable event. We want to create a event. It is called send question. Okay. Make it global, because it's global. It's going from one FSM to another FSM. So global send question. Okay. Okay. So now we will go back to question, and also want to add here global send question. Here. Let's play. Yes, now it's working. Every time we play, it will display a new question. We can also make interactive. If we click here, it will go to next question, next random question. So let us make like this. So for this, we want to uh, apply some more action. Let's go to inspector, question. We want to add Playmaker UI component proxy here. Proxy, and we want to broadcast all, and before that we want to create another global event that is called like random question, like this random question. Okay, so global we want to put here. There is no such global random. Oh, okay. This now it's global. Okay, so we want to also apply random question. So now let's play. Oh, it's new one. Click here. It will pull data from. It's not because we have only 5 questions. If we have a lot of, then it will randomize fast. So it will display here. So next we will also pull out this option and also randomize these, and it will display all 4 options of related question, and then we can make a simple quiz MCQs type again. It's very nice. We can also apply some graphics, and it will look more beautiful. And but we can all make this in using a playmaker. It's very easy, and it's very quick. Thank you for watching.